laundry probably stinks if you're not doing this. The first step to having fresh laundry is to make sure that your washing machine is always clean. I use the True Fresh washing machine cleaner and I'm going to show you how it works. Super easy. All you have to do is drop one of these tablets in your washing machine and run it on a normal cycle. Once the cycle is complete, you can just wipe the remaining residue in the washer machine and then your washing machine will be squeaky clean. Do yourself a favor, make your laundry smell better by tapping that orange shopping cart down below and grabbing your washing machine cleaner. Thank me later.